Hi, my name is Cameron, and I just finished the Past 40 with Dr. Cody. I feel amazing. I lost about 11 pounds, and my clothes are fitting great. This weight has been on my body for quite a long time. I don't remember feeling this way, being at this weight since before college. It was so easy to do this program. There's so much food, and you get to absolutely fall in love with whole foods. And I got to be so creative. Cody was amazing, and I think that this is the most important part of the program is every morning I got to speak with him, a little voice call, and just his voice back was so, it felt like just someone on my team cheering me forward, but also drops of wisdom that really kept me going. One of the most amazing things that happened for me was pain that I had just been feeling everywhere, my neck, my back. Every time I bent over, I would feel pain. And this had been going on for about 4 years. And it just went away. I don't feel it anymore. I'm so grateful for this program. It was so easy, and I feel amazing. Thanks.